Okay guys, in this video we will be checking out how we can make up to $1,000 swing trading. Okay, and of course swing trading is a unique strategy that can help you to make a lot of profit whenever you are trading forex assets like this. Okay, and we'll be checking it out together and see how we can go with it using this unique trading tool. Okay, and of course before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is to take your time to browse through the channel, learn my strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So for you to swing trade, it actually means that you should follow the trend wherever it is going. If the trend is actually going down, go with it towards the down direction. If it is going up, then go with it towards the up direction. It all depends on the direction of the trend, and since all these assets are trend trading assets, then it makes it very easy for us to trade. Okay, and of course guys, another thing which you need to know is that this trading tool which we are about to use, it is a custom made indicator, and of course it is a trend trading indicator. That is, the strategy is used in coming up with this, in building this trading tool is, the strategy favors trend trading. Okay, so that is why it is very easy for us to use this particular trading tool to trade trend. Okay, so now let's see how it works and how we can go about it. Okay, so first of all, we need to know the direction of the market. Then we need to be very sure of the support and resistance zone. Okay, like I have always been telling you, the major support zone and resistance zone are always at the top of the chart and below the chart. Okay, so those are the major ones. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to have at the back of your mind. So the market actually got to this resistance zone around here. Okay, like I've always been telling you, you can do your analysis on the higher time frame. Not everyone would be able to trade on the higher time frame, most especially if your capital is not that much. Okay, so I will still advise you to come down to the lower time frame so that you can manage your capital very well and make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so once you are able to do this, you will be able to milk the market successfully and manage your trading activities very well. So I'm on 5-minute time frame, and this is boom 1011, and of course this started a sell signal right from here, which means that right from here you can start a sell. Okay, you can start a sell. How do I know if it's the right time for you to place a sell order? Okay, this has actually got into a resistance zone, and of course it is a major resistance zone. There are two things that can happen right there. The first thing that should come to your mind is the CIT. Okay, and the second thing that should come to your mind is the BRO. Okay, so since the BRO is not working, then the CIT should work. The CIT means that the trend will change the direction. Okay, and of course it was an uptrend before, so it's changed the direction into a downtrend right from here. How do I know that? Okay, I'm going to prove that to you right now. You can see these dotted red lines. They are telling us that the market is going on a downtrend. Okay, and since it is coming from a major resistance zone, then it is a very good signal. And this big magenta colored shape right here is giving us a sell signal right from there. So all you just need to do is just for you to place your sell signal around there, and of course you will be able to milk the markets along the trend, okay, till it gets to this support zone. And remember, you should learn to manage your trading activities. If you are able to place your order, your sell order around there, for every order you place, always make sure you set a stop loss. Okay, so your stop loss should be at the resistance zone around here. Okay, so this is very, very important in case the market decides to behave like the markets. Okay, because you don't have the full control of the markets. You can only go with the analysis. You cannot control the markets totally. Okay, so we placed our sell order around there, so we put our stop loss around there. So as this goes down, as it goes down from the entry point, let's say it gets to this region, you can now readjust your stop loss to somewhere here to lock up some part of your profit till it gets to the very end of the trend. Okay, as it is going down, you make sure you keep more profit for yourself because it is getting to a major support zone. So you keep more profit at this point, okay? So till when it got to this region, which is the major support zone, then I expect you to lock up more profit for yourself. And of course, this is where the trend came to an end, okay? After ending right here, you also have the opportunity to milk the market back to the top of the chart, okay? So we got our trend signal, which is the green dotted line, okay? And of course, we also got our buying signal right here, so we can come in right here and buy till the very end of the trend. The trend came to an end around here, so you can keep on buying and buying till you get to the end of the trend, okay? So this is very, very important. You can imagine we actually sold, I mean, if you had come in around here, you would have milked the market to the very end of the trend, and of course go for a buy signal again and also milk the market to the very end of the trend. That is the beautiful part about it. And of course, as you can see right now, it is getting ready for another downtrend, which means you will be able to come in here again and milk the market to the very end of the trend. That is the beautiful part of it. And if you understand how you can manage your trading activities the way I have explained, I mean the way I explained earlier, then definitely you will always be in profit all the time. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. All you need to do is to go back to your chart, set up your account, make sure you are having the custom made indicator, something like this on your chart, and follow up the instructions which I have given you in this video. If you are not having this custom made indicator, you can take advantage of the promo that is going on right now within the Telegram platform and use it to get yours right now, so that you can always be in profit all the time. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question within the comment section, or you contact me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.